Hey there, Michael Church, Crawl Space Ninja, and just got a great comment from our YouTube channel. I decided to come in a little early and check out some of the comments we've been getting. Thank you so much for making our YouTube channel such a success. We just reached over 1,900 subscribers, and I really appreciate all of you watching our videos. But stay tuned, and I'm going to share some information about should I tack up plastic on the subfloor. So that's a great question. Stay tuned for the answer. Okay, believe it or not, we get a lot of DIYers out there that feel it's a good idea to take the vapor barrier or the plastic. Normally it's a 6 mil plastic that you would get at Home Depot or Lowe's, the black or the clear plastic, and they'll actually staple it to the subfloor over the insulation so that when you go in the crawl space you look up and you see nothing but vapor barrier or plastic up on the joist. And we find this to be a bad idea. For a few reasons, some of which we've expressed insulation will do. You know, insulation will trap moisture. Insulation is a good place for rodents and bugs and things to thrive and live and things like that. But plastic is better at trapping moisture. So what it'll do a lot of times is if it gets any humidity up in above that vapor barrier or that plastic between your subfloor and the plastic, that humidity has a hard time escaping because of the ability of plastic to trap that moisture. So I would suggest you take that plastic down, put it on the ground, because this person was asking, should I put it on the ground? Yes, that's where you should have put it. Lay it on the dirt itself, overlap it and tape it, get you some really good tape, and join the seams together, overlap them, 6, 8, 12 inches, and then tape those seams together, and that is a better vapor barrier. And I'm sorry to tell you that that's what I would recommend, but I hope that video helps, and we hope you like this video down below. And one last thing I want to mention, we are in the process of franchising Crawl Space Ninja. So if you know anybody within a 4-hour radius is where we're targeting at the moment of Knoxville, Tennessee. Anybody with a 4-hour radius of Knoxville, Tennessee. We're not quite able to offer anything other than to tell you that we are beginning our franchising process. So if you know anybody who's looking to get into the Crawl Space Ninja business and help us make sure that these crawl spaces are done correctly in your area, please contact us either through our YouTube channel or on our website, crawlspaceninja.com. And we look forward to working with each and every one of you, and we hope you make it a happy and blessed day. Thanks for watching.